Hello students, I am Gitansh Verma. I have a master's degree in engineering. I have over 4 years of experience in teaching. As teaching is my passion, so I have converted into my profession as well. I have adapting teaching methods where use of various examples, interesting facts related to the subject and illustrations, I make my lecture more attention grabbing and exciting. In my course, we are going to study about thermodynamics, fluid mechanics and heat transfer. Thermodynamics is governed by the laws of thermodynamics. Basically, there are three laws that governs the flow of heat, work, and internal energy. And based on these laws, we are going to study about the practical application of thermodynamics in various cycles and heat transfer processes. For example, IC engine, refrigeration, and Brayton cycle, they all are a part of practical application of thermodynamics, where we use one form of energy and convert it into another form of energy and get some work in that process. The next part that we're going to study is fluid mechanics. The fluid mechanics is distributed into these five parts. The first part is basics of fluid mechanics. In this, we are going to study about various thermophysical properties of fluid mechanics, for example, density, specific gravity, viscosity, etc. We are also going to study about different type of fluids like Newtonian and non-Newtonian fluids. In fluid statics, we are going to deal about the fluid in a stationary position, that is the force acting on the fluid in a stationary position. In this part, we are going to study about Pascal's law and hydrostatic paradoxes as well. The next part is fluid kinematics. In this part, we are going to study about the motion of a fluid flow. We are only discussing about how the fluid is moving and we are not concerned with the reason behind the motion of the fluid. But in fluid dynamics, we are going to study about the reason behind the fluid motion as well. The last part is potential flow, and it is the most interesting and important part of fluid mechanics, where we are going to study about certain phenomena like laminar flow, turbulent flow, boundary layer phenomena, etc. The last part of my course is heat transfer. Basically, heat transfer is different from thermodynamics, as in thermodynamics, we are only concerned with the after effect of transfer of heat. But in heat transfer, we are focusing on how the heat is being transferred from point A to point B. In this, we are studying about the modes of heat transfer, that is convection, conduction, and radiation. In this course, we are going to study about what are the factors influencing each and what is the difference between all the three. The next part that we are studying is fins, that is heat transfer from extended surfaces, and the last part is heat exchanger. Heat exchanger is basically a device that is used to transfer heat from one body to the another body. It is basically applied in locomotives and automobiles. So join my course to embark upon the exciting journey of thermodynamics and fluid flow. Thank you.